Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen, and welcome to 2026. It is the beginning of the year, and a lot of people are starting it off with some meal prepping. Everybody has a New Year's resolution, right? So, my suggestion is start off with salads. Start prepping your salads, but so that it's not boring or you don't get tired of the same old, make your salads different. Put different toppings on there, put different meats, use fruit. Don't always use lettuce, use spinach, use different types of greens, mixed greens, all types of things, even kale, different types of cheeses, different proteins. You can have ham, you can have chicken, turkey. There's so many different things. And then at the end of the day, change up your salad dressings just to jazz it up a little. All those different fruits. As you can see, I've got some craisins, some peaches, strawberries. Mix it up. As you can see, I even put nuts on mine. But you put whatever it is you like on yours. Mix it up. Enjoy your meal prepping. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.